Welcome to Empowered Gardening. Today I'm going to talk about saving seeds. It's actually very easy to get your own seeds from all the vegetables that you buy. But I'm going to start you off with something fairly simple. This is a spaghetti squash that has seen better days. Yep. But the wonderful thing is you can actually save your own seeds, and the seeds that you want to save are nice and plump. And I am going to open this up, take off the end that's a little bit rotten. Now remember, nothing goes to waste. We compost this. And on the inside here, okay, be careful not to use your knife improperly and cut your fingers off, because that makes it really messy to save the seeds. Just dig it out, all right, and then we're going to see what the seeds look like. So there's going to be pulp, but see how nice and round and happy that seed is? That would be great to go in the ground. So spaghetti squash is a wonderful squash that's very easy to grow, and it can actually act like spaghetti because it comes very fibrous. All right, so the part that's still a little bit what I would consider soft is what you don't want to use on the spaghetti squash, okay, because that's a little bit bitter. So unless you're starving, dispense with that to the actual compost. Now, I've picked out some of these. I would pick out all of them. Usually I do 4 or 5 squashes at once, but you know, whatever you have, if you do just one, that's fine too. And what is wonderful about that is you can just dry it for about 24 hours, and after you're done with that, you're going to be able to collect dry seeds, and this is what you actually put into your garden. So you can actually put these directly into the ground or into your pot if you're doing container gardening like I did when I lived in New York City. So I hope that you now feel empowered, that you can actually save the seeds from the produce that you buy in the market or the things that you buy you know, through any kind of farmer's market or get delivered to you from a community-supported agriculture. So please, don't just think, I'm only going to eat the vegetable. Save the seeds.